we are in conversation with Mr. Dharmendra Singhal. He is the General Manager, Electrical and Instrumentation, Engineering and Production, Haldor, Topsoe. As we would like to ask you, sir, what is your take on the automation, present scenario of automation in India and its future trends?
I feel like in India, like as we are growing, so currently we are lacking quite a lot in automation, and in future if we see like the awareness is increasing and the importance and what is the benefit of automation, this is increasing. So it seems that future can be very good for automation. I can just give you an example. Like if we see there are automation available, like if we are entering our car, there is a smart tag on the car, and there is a gate also like which can open through this smart card. But still there will be a manual person available. So that is how the automation is treated in India. We have the facility of automation, but still we are not using it. So it seems that the mindset is one thing where we need to play with the people. Like we need to educate the people the benefit of the automation and how they are going to use it, what will be the long-term benefit which they can get out of it.
So what are the key challenges faced by the automation industry in India?
I think the key challenge is, in India, globally, what I can see, like with automation, there is a fear that a lot of jobs will go away. So it is always a sort of challenge for industry to promote the automation. Like if you take an example of a plant, suppose there are 500 people working, and there is a fear that after becoming a lot of automation or a lot of automation solution in the plant, this 500 will become maybe 300. So that is a challenge, right? So the acceptability of automation is a little less because of loss of job or something like that.
So what is the message that you would like to give to the manufacturers of automation as well as the users of automation?
To the manufacturer of automation, I feel that when they are promoting the solution, they should tell to the user like what benefit they can get out of it. Like some of the jobs which are sort of very repetitive or routine kind of job, if that can be handled by the automation, then the workforce available can go for more innovative solution, or maybe a solution like which can radical change in the industry. So I think the promoter should promote that sort of ideas to the end user. Then only the acceptability of their solution will be there.
Correct. And to the user side?
User, they need to have an open thinking, or maybe they should adopt this solution, like not as a that it is going to harm their personal. If we take an example of say simple mobile phone, like earlier we used to have a desk phone, like where we need to press lot of button and we need to remember all the numbers. But now with mobile we need not require to remember everything. But this time what is available to us we can utilize for some other purpose. So we need to think from an industry perspective also that if this valuable time is available, how it can be utilized for some other productive or maybe a radical thinking or some innovative things. So that will be the suggestion.
So we need to change the mindsets of people.
I think so. That is what is moving.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In conversation with Mr. Ravindra Goel, Managing Director EIP Enviro from New Delhi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
As you are, EIP Enviro is an MSME. What do you think are the challenges that faced by the MSME as they do not have an access to the global market? So what do you think are the challenges and what needs to be done to overcome these challenges, because MSME comprises of more than 80% of the industry, as you are aware. So the bigger companies just play a small part of it in terms of the numbers. So what do we need to, how do we address this issue?
Yeah, actually like MSME